Project 613, day 120, continuing on the laws regarding Jewish agriculture. You come into the land of Israel and you're planting your fields. What type of mitzvahs are associated with the field? And the answer is many. Yesterday we learned that there's a prohibition to plant mixed seeds. You're not allowed to take different types of species and plant them together. However, if you did so, the resulting product is permissible for consumption. Today we learn a new mitzvah, and that is kilei hakerem, a specific type of kilayim, mixing of seeds, that is associated with the vineyard. If you have a vineyard, you're not allowed to plant wheat in that vineyard or any other type of vegetable in that vineyard. Doing so is a violation of a very serious prohibition. This prohibition, according to the Torah, biblically applies only in the land of Israel, but because it is such a serious prohibition, therefore, the sages also extended it to the entire world. The reason why it's so serious is because the resulting product from such a vineyard is prohibited for consumption. One is not allowed to eat the results of a vineyard that has been mixed together with wheat or other grains or other vegetables. Part of this mitzvah is also the prohibition of grafting different types of trees together. If you have an apple tree and an orange tree and you want to graft it together, you're not allowed to do so. This prohibition applies in Israel and the entire world. However, the resulting fruits are permitted for consumption. And if someone grafted two different species together and that brought a new type of fruit, then you're able to take the seeds of that fruit and start a new tree that would be that new fruit. The point is, the Torah gives us specific prohibitions prohibiting us from mixing seeds, mixing different species in order to create new ones. The reason for this mitzvah is explained that by doing so, we are giving off the impression that God's world is imperfect and we are trying to make new types of species, as if the species that God brought to the world weren't enough and weren't perfect enough. So for this, we have the prohibition of kilayim, which extends to the seeds that are planted in the field. It extends to grafting trees, and more specifically to a vineyard. Each one of them has varying different levels of the seriousness of the prohibition, and therefore, if you plan on going into planting a vineyard, for example, make sure to be in touch with a knowledgeable rabbi that could guide you in how to do so. Thank you for watching. More tomorrow.